Hey everyone, special greeting to my students from Institución Educativa Santo Tomás. This video was made specially for them. In the previous video, I explained how to use the present progressive or present continuous, in which ways we could use it. So in this video, I'm going to explain past progressive. Alright, so basically the past progressive is used for indicating the course of an action in the past. So when I want to refer to the development of an action in the past, I use past progressive. Also, to talk about simultaneous activities that were going on in the past. And also, when I want to indicate what was going on before and after another action in the past. So the development of an action before and after another action that just happened at a moment. Let's see examples of each one. They were studying for the class, talking about the progress of an action, the development of an action in the past. They were studying. When I want to talk about simultaneous activities, let's see an example. While my sister was taking the class, my brother was making lunch. And let's see an example of the third use. I was washing the dishes when my girlfriend arrived. So, before my girlfriend arrived and after my girlfriend arrived, I was washing the dishes. When I want to talk about the progression of an activity before and after another activity happened, I also use past progressive. So past progressive is also used with verbs that show development or growth. Let's see some examples. Their French proficiency was improving every day. Her cat was growing up quickly. He was going bananas. The city was changing with the new administration. So how do we form it? Very simple. Just like we form the present continuous, but this time the verb to be goes in past. Okay, so in past progressive or past continuous, we also have those two things that are crucial and that we cannot omit, which are the verb to be and the main verb with ing. Okay, if we are lacking any of these two, we don't have past progressive. Okay, so in this case, the verb to be goes in past. As you have noticed in the examples, in all of them, we are using the verb to be, and in all of them, we're using it in past. But how is the verb to be in past? As you're seeing on screen, there are only two ways to conjugate the verb to be in past. While in present progressive we had three forms, in past progressive we have only two. For singulars we have was, and for plurals we have were. That's it. So the past of is and the past of am, which were singulars in present progressive, now are was. I was, she was, he was. While in present progressive we had are, in past progressive we have were. So in the previous video we had this example. I'm recording a video for my students. How would that be in past progressive? Well, I was recording a video for my students while my students were doing the homework. You see, in this example, I use past progressive. Let's talk questions. So yes, no questions are just the same as in present progressive, but using the past of the verb to be. Was she doing the homework, for example? So what changed? Again, the position of the verb to be changes from being after the pronoun to be before the pronoun. And in this case, again, for yes, no questions, these are the questions that are answered only with yes or no. But let's see information questions. To create an information question in past progressive, we only need to add a question word with WH, such as why, when, where, okay, or even how, which is not WH. You can check other examples on screen. Let's see negatives. She wasn't doing the homework. So what changed from a positive to a negative? Very simple, the same as present progressive. We only add a word which is not. In this case, it's abbreviated. She wasn't doing the homework. We weren't studying Chinese. Okay, we only add not next to the verb to be. We can abbreviate it. Most times people have abbreviated. Okay, so she wasn't is she was not. and we weren't is we were not. Alright? Sure, if you have questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.